What is up, traders? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I've got a very cool video for you guys. Pay attention, get your notebook if you need to, because in today's video I'm going to show you how you can grow a small Forex trading account. Right now, let's say you do not have a big capital to start with. You only have a small amount, 100, even as little as 20, right? Even as little as $20, and grow it into big amounts like $10,000 and $20,000. I'm going to show you the strategy that I used that helped me build when I started trading into a bigger account sizes. So my strategy is very simple. It's very easy, and let's just jump into it. So first things first, what you're gonna need is 3 moving averages on your screen, right? In this case, I have the 21, which is the green. Then we have a 50, the blue, and we have a 200 smooth moving averages. These are all smooth moving averages. If you want to get these on your charts, now the standard trading view package only allows you to have 3 indicators, I think. Yeah, it only allows you to have 3 indicators. However, we're going to need 4 indicators for this strategy, which is the RSI and the 3 smooth moving averages, so that's 4. So for you to get these 3 as one indicator, just go to the indicator and then search 3 smooth moving averages. 3 smooth moving averages. And as you can see here, they are by this person, and you click on it, you put a star next to it, whatever you need to do. But then once you have it here, you can just go on the settings, and these are my settings. These are the one that I prefer, but yeah, these are my settings for my 3 smooth moving averages. So this is what you're gonna need. Take a picture, pause the video, and then just copy these settings. And then the next indicator that we're gonna need for this strategy is the RSI. Now you just obviously click on here, which is the relative strength index. So you're gonna type RSI, and as you can see here, relative strength index. Just put a star next to it, and you'll have it right here. Now I'm gonna show you something about the RSI, and I do not use the RSI as oversold and overbought, and no. I use it as you can see here. I have, obviously you can untick these 2 and have just a middle line of a 50, and anything above the 50, right? If the RSI is above the 50, that means we're in bullish momentum. We're in a bullish market. If the RSI is below, that means that the momentum is bearish, and that's how. This is kind of the correct way of using the RSI. I just have an 85 and a 15 because that's an extreme oversold and overbought areas in the RSI. So now, once you have all these 3 indicators up on your chart, here's what I want you to look for. Now let me give you guys an example here, right? Let me give you guys an example. Perfect example right here. Now, this is how. So let's say the market is right here, right? And the chart is playing, and it's busy. Obviously touching the 21 smooth moving averages. As soon as we have a break, now here's what you're gonna do. As soon as we have a break from the smooth moving average, right? As soon as you have a break, wait for a retest. Now what happened here? The next candle retested, and then it closed below the smoothing average. So the candle must close under the smooth moving averages. Now as soon as that happens, now we look at the RSI. Where is the RSI? We are below the 50 line. Now that indicates, let me just show you here. As you can see here, see how the RSI is now below the 50, and then we have the bearish candle, and it closed under the 21 smooth moving average. For me, as soon as I see that, I'm jumping in. I take my short position, smack it right there. Stop loss, you can have it just above the recent highs, but personally I like to have like this is really sniper entries, right? And you almost never in drawdown using this strategy. This is why I always like to either have it just above the high or just above the previous candle, right? In this scenario, I'll just put it here, and then your target when it comes to take profit, your take profit first one should be the blue, which is the 50 smooth moving average. So you're basically scalping in between these moving averages, right? You take it from the one to the second, and if you see the bearish momentum is still going, your second take profit is the 200 smooth moving averages, right? That's your next take profit. In this scenario, we had a 28 pip take profit, and we had a 6 pip stop loss. That's a 1-to-4 risk reward ratio. And this trade was complete in a matter of 7 hours. 7 hours, it was done. From here to here, 5 hours and 45 minutes. You're done. You've complete. With one standard lot size, you could have made here $2,800, easy. And then what I also like to do, as soon as we reach the 200 smooth moving averages, and I see these long rejections and wicks, what do? I jump in for a buy, and then I take it up from here, let's say, and then obviously my take profit should be these smooth moving averages. Stop loss just below, that's a 1-to-4, smashed. Take profit was absolutely destroyed. See how we're just scalping. This strategy is basically scalping in between the moving averages. That's all you do, right? Now when the price is trending, let's say in this scenario right here, when the price is trending, and in this scenario the take profit is a bit complicated because you don't know where like your target. This is why I always recommend, let's say the price breaks, you wait for a retest, it rejected of the blue, which is the 50 smooth moving averages. Average, right? You take your long position, your stop loss should be just below the 200, because sometimes it might wick to test the 200 smooth moving average, and your take profit should always be, I like to always target 20 pips, right? Let's call this the 20 pip strategy. Let's call it the 20 pip strategy, and look at that. This trade was completed in a matter of seconds, guys. Look at this. 1 hour, this trade was absolutely complete, and you've made some your money. You get out. Same thing happened again. Comes back, a retest, it rejects. You take your long position, you target 20 pips, and you're out, and so on and so on. So this is why, if you look at the current price in the market where we at right now, as you see here, price has closed under the 50 smooth moving averages, and this is where I take my short position. That was a long position. I'll take my short position and I clack it right there, and my next take profit should be, I like to target 20 pips, so that should be right there, and then stops just above with 10 pip stop loss. That's a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, and this is an absolutely perfect trade for me that I would absolutely take, right? And I'm gonna take it as we speak right now, to be honest. And I'm going to put my stop loss just above for 10 pips, which is right there. And yeah, guys, so this is our strategy. We literally just scalping the price between the moving averages. The moving averages acts as like magnets. The price likes to go and touch these moving averages. In this scenario, we have a break, a retest, and maybe a continuation. We took our short position and we're in. Now we just wait and see what happened to this trade. Boom. Now let's see what happened, right? I will update you guys on this trade. Hopefully if it's completed by the time I finish edit this video, and I'll put a screenshot of if this trade goes well in my direction. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys, and also one important thing to keep in mind is this strategy is only used on the 15-minute time frame. You can use it on higher time frame, but then the trades takes much longer, and you'll have to wait a lot longer for setups to occur. This is why I like the 15 minutes, which is not too fast but not too slow either. It's like in the middle ground, and I'm honestly so happy with this strategy, and it helped me to grow my small Forex trading account. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys have a blessed day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you benefited. Please leave a like if you're new here. Subscribe. Put your click on that bell notification so that you are notified whenever I upload a video. And you guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Peace.